Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the while loop. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea of how this works, let's start by creating a simple loop using the while. It's very similar to the for and the for each loops. So I'm gonna use while, and right here let's write a condition, okay, or a statement. For instance, let's write 1 equal 1, and let's add curly brackets, okay, and let's write I am in a while loop. Pretty cool. So let's just run, and let's see how the output is shown actually. So it's actually never is going to stop showing this message because we are in an infinite loop. As you guys could imagine, this condition will be forever true. So one way to use the while loop is to do until a certain condition is met. Okay, so for instance, let's create a variable called integer variable called counter, okay, which will be start being equals 0. This will be our, we call this a sentinel, okay, because it controls the loop, the while loop. It needs to be declared outside of the loop. So we could bring this variable right here. So for instance, let's say that I want to show 5 numbers. So what I would do is type while counter is less than 5, and right here I can do counter plus plus, which is a operation that increases the number of this variable by 1. Okay, so if I call console.writeLine counter and I type semicolon and I execute, I'm gonna see this. Okay, I see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I comment this, which means that counter will be forever equals to 0. Okay, so you guys have to remember the steps that I've talked about in the for loop. So counter starts by being equals 0. Here we come and we try to see, for instance, 0 is less than 5. If it is true, we're gonna execute this body. Okay, we run this code and we came back again. In this case, counter will be equal now 1. So 1 is less than 5, and so on till counter will be equal 5. In this case, 5 is not less than 5. So it will return false, which means that this will not be executed. So for instance, let's just comment this again and execute. As you guys can see, we are showing 0. We are always showing 0. Okay, so that's pretty much the video about while loop. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna finish right here. See you guys next time.